How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of excess skin on your face, a fast tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So one thing that you guys can do for excess skin that's very, very simple to do is wherever the excess skin is, pretend it's right here or even it's in here. All you're going to do is rub the area just like this. Do it for 5 minutes. Twice a day. Morning, rub for 5 minutes. At night, rub for 5 minutes. If you don't know this, what massaging the area does is it actually gets blood flow moving through that area. When you have more blood flowing through the area, it makes it easier to tighten that skin area. It's literally exactly the same as getting tighter muscles. If you're trying to get tighter muscles, what you would do is you would do lots of repetitions and you would get lots of blood flowing through those muscles. If you want to get tighter muscles, you guys, if you want to get bigger muscles, we would do more lower repetitions. But the same thing is for your face. You can rub your face for 4 to 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, twice a day. And it really gets blood flowing. The reason why this works is anytime you rub an area, what you're doing is you're actually creating friction against your skin. This increases temperature. With increased temperature, creates more blood flow. Very simple to do. Rub in your face. If you ever look at people that go to saunas or spas, a lot of time they get face rubs. And if you look at those people, their faces are really, really nice because normally they go on a usual basis. They have a routine, maybe once, twice a week. They'll go and they'll get their face massaged. That's not just a thing. That's literally a thing that people get done to get a better face. They will go to a spa and pay people hundreds of dollars to do this face massage that anyone can do at home, literally just by rubbing the area. Very, very simple to do. And this does help with excess skin, you guys. It's amazing for that. The next thing that we can do is I like to make sure that wherever there's excess skin, and again, I used to have a little bit of excess skin. I'm sitting right now at 205 pounds. If I look at pictures 5-6 years ago when I was 205 pounds, my face used to be way fatter. But I've done some of these jawline exercises, some of these exercises to help get rid of face fat, and I'm sitting right now 205 pounds, and my face literally looks how it used to look when I was 170 pounds. I am a lot leaner now too, though, at 205. Before at 205, I wasn't as lean. I'm way leaner now. But you want to do exercises for your face that works the face muscle. So anytime you can do an exercise that works the face muscles, works really nicely. So example, opening your mouth really, really wide. The minute I do that, I feel it working right in here. So you know right then that's a good exercise. Watch. When I smile really, really wide, again, I feel it right in this area right here. If I lift my head up, I can feel a stretch right here. If I turn my head like this, I can feel a stretch back here and back here. So whatever exercises you're doing, make sure wherever you want the excess skin to get rid of, make sure the exercise that you're doing, you can feel it in that area. Very simple to do, you guys. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.